hihinto sa tinatawag po nating core values. Pero yung integrity actually builds the trust, which is actually a cornerstone of every institution. And at the same time, yung humility naman po, na bihirang-bihira na po natin makita sa mga people who are in position and in power at yung mapera. Ito na po yung kailangan po natin ngayon, especially sa buhay ng politika. Dahil ito po yung nawawala na. Hindi po kanina nawawala na. Dahil once they will be able to achieve something, hindi na po sila grounded. Makakalimutan po nila na dapat pala lagi kang grounded. Lagi mong iniisip na pantay-pantay lang tayo. The people that you meet on your way out are the same people that you're going to meet on your